दोस्तों इस क्लास में आपको डिक्टेशन दूंगा मैं 100 WPM पर 600 वर्ड्स की डिक्टेशन है, आपको डिक्टेशन में प्रोवाइड कर रहा हूं। बी रेडी फॉर इट।
This appeal is filed against the final judgment and order dated 17/10/2014 passed by the High Court of Punjab and Haryana at Chandigarh in Civil Revision number 3602 of 2013, whereby the High Court dismissed the revision petition filed by the appellants herein and affirmed the order dated 3/11/2012 passed by Additional District Judge Jalandhar in execution serial number 37 of 2010, by which the execution petition relating to arbitration award was dismissed. In order to appreciate the short controversy involved in this appeal, few relevant facts need mention infra. The appellant is a state-owned corporation engaged in supply of civil commodities in the state of Punjab. Respondent number 1 is a partnership firm whose partners are respondent numbers 2 to 4. The firm is engaged in the business of running a rice mill in Jalandhar. The appellant and respondent number 1 entered into an agreement. In terms of this agreement, the appellant was to give their paddy to the respondents who were to process the paddy in their rice mill, and the resultant rice produced after processing paddy were to be delivered to the Food Corporation of India for and on behalf of the appellant by the respondents. Since the agreement was in relation to processing of paddy and then supply of rice to public at large through FCI, the time was made the essence of the agreement so that the concerned departments would be able to supply the rice in time to public at large. It is the case of the appellant that the appellant delivered 6,294 bags weighing 40,790 quintals of fine variety of paddy and 9,030 bags weighing 5,869 quintals of IR8 variety of paddy to the respondents for processing and converting into rice for being supplied to the FCI. The respondents duly acknowledged the receipt of paddy from the appellant. The respondents, however, could only process and deliver to the FCI 2,795 quintals of fine variety rice and 2,295 quintals of IR8 variety of rice. Thereafter, the respondents could deliver 710 quintals of fine variety of rice and 1,444 quintals of IR8 variety of rice in 1,075 bags. Since the respondents failed to process and deliver the full quantity of rice in terms of agreement to the FCI, much less within the time framed, it caused money losses to the appellant in addition to sustaining the damages due to non-delivery of the rice. According to the appellant, since the respondents committed breach of the agreement because they were not able to perform their part of the agreement, the appellant became entitled in terms of the agreement to recover from the respondents 1 times economic cost of balance paddy, the cost of balance bags and sales tax at 4% thereon, besides TDS on income tax at 2% and other recovery. The agreement contained an arbitration clause for resolving all disputes arising between the parties in relation to the agreement. The appellant accordingly gave notice to the respondents requesting them for referring the disputes which had arisen between them to the arbitrator. The respondents acceded to the appellant's request, and accordingly the disputes were referred to the sole arbitrator. The arbitrator embarked upon the reference made to him by the parties. The parties filed their respective claims and adduced evidence in support of their stand. The respondents felt aggrieved of the award, filed an application under Section 34 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996, hereinafter referred to as the Act, and questioned its legality and correctness before the Additional District Judge Jalandhar. The Additional District Judge dismissed the application and upheld the award. दोस्तों इसी के साथ ही डिक्टेशन फिनिश होती है। टफ डिक्टेशन है, कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताइएगा कैसी लगी, और वो दोस्त जो आपको कहते हैं कि मेरी शॉर्टहैंड बहुत अच्छी है उन तक ज़रा इसे पहुंचाइए और ज़रा देखिए कि क्या स्टेटस है उनका। बहुत ही मज़ा आने वाला है इस डिक्टेशन में। कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइएगा ज़रूर और शेयर ज़रूर कीजिएगा, लाइक किए बिना मत जाइएगा। आपसे मुलाकात करता हूँ अगली क्लास में अगली ट्रांसक्रिप्शन के साथ। तब तक के लिए बाय, टेक केयर।